A convoy of 5 trucks and 2 vehicles belonging to the International Committee of Red Cross was targeted by Israeli airstrikes while carrying life-saving medical supplies for healthcare facilities yesterday. 2 trucks were damaged and a driver slightly wounded before the convoy alerted their route to Al-Shifa hospital where it delivered its supplies. The ICRC announced that they are deeply troubled after the events. The north of Gaza is now considered a fierce combat zone as Israeli troops are trying to advance to the center of Gaza City inside the Strip. Packed with air forces, the military wing of Hamas and the Islamic Jihad released footage shows their fighters destroying many Israeli military vehicles with anti-tank missiles, along with different locations, while Israel continues the heavy bombardment all across the Strip.
According to Egyptian Red Crescent, as of Wednesday, some 600 trucks carrying 9,000 tons of aid have been sent to the Gaza Strip through the Rafah crossing since its operation started on October 21st, but none of them contained fuel due to the ban by the Israeli authorities. A total of 33 countries and organizations have sent aid, which was landed at Irish International Airport in North Sinai, as part of the global effort to relieve the humanitarian crisis in the Palestinian enclave.
Here I'm standing outside of Israel's Ministry of Defense in Tel Aviv. Over 240 hostages were taken into the Gaza Strip by Hamas during its October 7th attack on Israeli communities. Photos of these hostages can be seen in a lot of locations in the city. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has reiterated on a lot of occasions that there would be no ceasefire without the release of the hostages.